and gentlemen, next up we'll invite Dr. Kalpana Johri, Additional Director, CDSC, Noida, UP, India.
Namaskar, it's good afternoon and Jai Hind. I hope all of you are doing very well. Thanks Rishikesh for the invite. I am from CDAC, I am scientist over there, called as Additional Director as well. And we are working into few projects which are related to higher education, not the school education primarily. But what I feel is that because it is Global Education and Skills Summit, we generally categorize skills into two parts. One is some skills that can be acquired at that particular point of time, and some skills which should be known before you actually face the situation. Something like swimming, tairna is some skill which you need to know before you face that situation where you need that skill. I don't know how many of you must be having children in the age group of 18 or 17 and have been trying to fill up their college forms. Many of us are there, right? And how many find it really challenging when filling up those forms or choosing the college or getting into how the counseling is done, how a college is selected, what kind of course should I do? These are very, very basic challenges, and we think these challenges can be overcome once these situations will be encountered by a person. Okay? Mostly, what happens in such scenarios, like if I say what I have learned in my school, I can do titration. I can separate cations, anions. I know how to analyze it. But to be very frank, even if today I have to fill up a check, I check it twice. I have filled up the date, I have put the signatures correctly, I have filled up a number correctly or not. Okay? And this is such a basic skill which I think everyone should know. How we fill up a form. Most of the time, when we do not know anything, it reduces our confidence. Okay? If a child doesn't know, if it has not done it earlier, it is going to reduce his confidence. This is so obvious. If you have done it earlier, you are very confident with it. If you have not done it earlier, you are not confident about it. Okay? So what we try and imbibe at CDAC, which is Center for Development of Advanced Computing. It is a scientific society of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. I am from that organization. One of my senior were speaking about telemedicine, and you might be aware of eSanjeevani, which is a telemedicine product developed by CDAC. Now coming back to the skills, okay. What we believe is doing is learning. If we make the children or the students or adults, whoever is in the field, make him do the things, we will actually be able to imbibe better skills in them. Okay? So what we try and do at our end is, because we are basically dealing with the high-end education as well as research and electronics and IT-based research, what we try and do is we get the engineering candidates, engineering students, all those candidates who have done engineering and they are into their internship, they are trying to find a job in our industry. We bring them to CDAC, we make them work over there. Okay. At any charges, obviously it is a government organization, so it is almost free of cost. In fact, I'll say not free of cost, but it is negligible cost. Okay. So what skills they are lacking in their college, and those skills are necessary to become an entrepreneur or to get into a good job into the industry. Okay. Such skill gaps need to be filled up in fact, at a very, very low age. As soon as possible, these skill gaps should be filled up. And telling them, to be very frank, that if you have acquired this skill, that is not the end of word. You need to keep on acquiring more skills as you move ahead. Like we generally had a notion, people of my age and probably who are still elder than me have the notion कि masters हो गया खत्म, अब और कुछ नहीं पढ़ना. Okay. आपका सिनेरियो है कि अच्छा मैं इंजीनियरिंग कर लूँ उसके बाद तो पढ़ाई नहीं करनी पड़ेगी ना. Tell him it is lifelong learning scenario has to be followed. आप अगर ये सोचते हो कि बीटेक करके आप पढ़ाई नहीं करनी है, आप कुछ नहीं सीखना ना, मास्टर्स कर लिया, एमबीए कर लिया, आप नहीं सीखना ना, मेडिकल एमबीबीएस कर लिया, एमएस कर लिया, एमडी कर लिया, अब नहीं सीखना. यू हैव टू कंटिन्यू टू लर्न. दिस थॉट हैव टू बी इम्बाइब्ड इनटू द चाइल्ड कि 25 की एज में एजुकेशन खत्म नहीं होती. which is extremely important because people, in fact young blood have this notion कि इंजीनियरिंग करके अब मुझे आगे नहीं पढ़ना पड़ेगा, और जब जॉब में आते हैं पढ़ना पड़ता है, then there is a problem. Because they have this notion कि okay, now it's over, I'm not going to get into that business of carrying the books or doing it from somewhere else. Okay. So, in fact, the skill which is to be happy and the ability to learn at any point of time, any skill is extremely important, and that is something need to be imbibed into the young school-going children as well as college-going young adults as well. So on that note, I would like to thank you all for listening to me. Thanks. Jai Hind.